one. There we go.
Hey guys, I'm back with another Harry Potter subscription unboxing. I'm pretty sure this is July's box, even though it's the 2nd of... Wait, is it the 2nd?
Yeah.
Of September. I know it's not December then. And Mum's here, like usual, to explain what is on the box and what's inside.
On the box, it's just a red box. I haven't been very artistic lately. Just says Geek Year, Wizardry. It's red with little house symbols on it, and that's all.
And time to do this. And then we have... Something smells in here.
Is it?
And then we had the red tissue paper, like usual. And I probably should find that thing from Mum. I don't know where it is. I have no idea where the booklet is. Can you try to get the booklet out? Or is that it? Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. It is July 2018.
Starting with, I don't know what I'm starting with. It's shirt. I'm pretty sure it is a shirt. Yes, we get a shirt in every box at the top. And this
is a t-shirt with, it looks like the earth, and it's got Hagrid on a motorcycle. They're flying across the world on an enchanted motorcycle.
Dad, shut up.
2 beloved characters. Oh, turn it. Let's see it again.
No, that might be the other shirt.
No. It says 2 beloved. I'm assuming it's Hagrid, but I can't work out the other one.
What is it?
If anybody else can
Is it a
work it
woman?
out.
Is it a woman?
Hang on, hold that still. Just looks like Hagrid to me. There we go. Someone else might be able to work it out.
Because Mum doesn't say it on there. Oh wait,
You
this
see
is...
the shadow of 2 beloved characters as the moon casts their shadow.
Wait, is this an apron?
No,
I don't
it's
know.
a bag.
Oh,
I
is it
think.
a bag?
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
think I'm too
I
close.
can use this for gold ball now.
Yeah, you can. Go and show it over to your left a little bit because you're too close. That's it. And it says Wizarding School, and it's got a G, a R, a S, and a H.
Oh, okay. For
All the houses.
houses.
And a broom and a wand crossing each other.
That is cool. So we haven't got a bag in them yet. I'll go for the box thing. What does it say on? Oh wait, it probably doesn't say anything on it.
Yeah, it does. It says Captain. So it's like a house captain.
Oh, it's
We
another
have
badge.
We have included this unique house captain. You will receive your chosen house. So it's a red one.
Gryffindor. Goes with my shirt. Well, not really,
That
but
she got for her birthday.
yeah. I got for my birthday. How does this go back in? I don't know which way it goes. There we go. And then we go for this thingy because it's small and I don't know.
I'll open it up.
Doesn't say anything on the box.
Geek Year, I can see it. Turn around. No, it's round backwards now. That's cellophane, and turn it. Magical steam engine.
Oh, so
Travelling to school in style would not be easier than in this famous locomotive. We have included a PVC model of the Red Express train that is over 10 centimetres in length.
ow, can't get it out. How can you? Wait, you're holding that, so you probably can't.
Yeah.
Dad, shut up.
We're live on
A video.
the video here. See, the little train.
Toot toot. It's pretty cool. Is this soap? Should I open it or not?
Yep.
What does that sound like? It smells like soap.
Butterscotch soap.
Oh, maybe.
This butterscotch soap
I'll
will
look
leave you
anyway.
smelling sweet. In your box you will find a hand-wrapped 100-gram bar of skin-kind soap.
Don't know what colour it is, but see when we open the box. It's nicely wrapped though. Oh, it's in thing anyway.
Plastic.
What colour is it?
A very deep red colour, I think.
Smell it.
Yeah, can you smell that?
Oh, I know what this is already. It's a wand. Let's hope it's not one that I have already. Oh well, if it is, I'll have a replica. This video is probably long. Do I have this one? No, I don't think I do. I don't know whose it is. Whose wand is this one?
I don't know. Doesn't actually say. Just says this high quality painted wand comes with an iron core for extra stability. A great addition to any witches and wizards collection.
Oh, that's really helpful. Comment if you know whose one this is. Because I don't know whose this one is. It looks, I don't know.
I'll have to look it up.
I will look it up, but comment down below.
Comment down below if you know whose wand that is. It's not mine.
Oh, and we got recipes. What's that one?
And recipes. That is Molly's roast chicken dinner.
So it's just got stuff with it, I'm guessing.
That one is acid pops, so lollipops.
That's going to be hard to make. And then this one, is that one or is that just a...
That is a house scarf cupcakes. So all different colours, I suppose.
That's pretty cool. And now my attempt to get this thing out is not going to work. Ow, my head. Oh, it did work. Which way does one go? Mum?
No, that's sideways, upside down now. That is a demi-guise, and it is the evolution of it.
A demi-guy?
Is that what you call it? Demi-guise? Demi-guise? Demi-guise?
Which is a what?
Looks like a little...
Is it from Fantastic Beasts?
Yeah, I think so.
That's, I don't know it.
I think the one might be Fantastic Beasts as well.
Oh, that might be Queenie's sister. Maybe? Tina.
Who?
The wand.
The wand? Maybe. I'm just seeing if I can see which one it is. It's got a bend, semi-bend in it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think I was looking the other day at it. It's got a...
And yeah, that's it. But yeah, comment if you know which one this is. Oh, I've also been reading this fanfiction at the moment that I recommend. I'll put the link down in the description. It's a Harry Potter one, and it's about Scorpius and Albus Malfoy, Potter Malfoy, whatever way you want to say it. And yeah, that's it for this month. The next one will probably be soon because it is now September, like I said, and this is July's. And what is the hint for next month?
Oh, the hint. Hang on.
Oh, I have to go try and know.
Let's see, the hint. Next month's hint is...
I think I'm allergic to the soap.
Pictures of 3 dark figures. They're very...
Dementors?
I don't know. Let Jade know if these are Dementors. They look like...
Are they cloaked?
Yeah, they're very hard to see. They're cloaked. They've got little tiny heads. They're like got cartoony heads, and they look like I don't know what they look like. Oh, really, really old.
Is it just heads?
No, there's whole bodies, but they look robotic, sort of like really, really skinny arms with little tiny joints
Are
in
they
them.
them things that protect Hogwarts? No.
No, I don't know. So if you know what that hint is, let us know as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Like, subscribe, comment, share, the normal. And see
bye.
you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.